Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Leica, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the right we've got two options. So here we've got the resolution, and here we've got frames per second. So all you have to do is to tap on the resolution, and as you can see in this device we've got four different options. So 8K, 4K, 1080p and 720p. So just tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 8K, and as you can see it is notified immediately, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.